All right, thank you very much for the authentic, genuine Honda parts made in Korea, of course, because why not? We haven't been able to figure out why the beat is not starting, so we're just gonna do everything. Might as well just change everything. Change everything. We're gonna be changing the fuel filter today, and we are going to be doing an injector. We're gonna pull in the actual injector fuel rail. We're gonna see if they're actually pumping fuel. We pulled it and we saw puddles of fuel, but it just, at this point, just freaking who knows. However, before we go unplugging the million things required to so much as even tilt this fuel rail, what we're going to do is adjust the timing on the distributor cap. So, as instructed by Rob, I'm going to loosen the bolt that holds it on, and I'm going to turn it to however many degrees towards one side and degrees towards the other side, both extremes. Start the car each time, see if I get any puffing, and if not, then start working on fuel again. So it's hard to see, but I've advanced the timing to full advance within the range that I'm able to actually do so. And I'm going to do a few crank-a-doos and see what happens. And then I will retard it back to the other way. And we'll see which one works, if at all. Fuel pump prime. If it's not going to start off of that, it's not going to start. So I'm going to retard it now all the way back, do another few cranks, and if that doesn't work, we're going to start removing the fuel rail, do the fuel filter, and just keep chipping away at it. As you can see, on this side now, where my initial mark is, the timing is fully retarded. And we're going to do another crank. If this doesn't work, it's something else. Come on. Fuel pump prime. And crank. Hey, guess what happened, guys? The battery's dying. Oh. You might be asking if fuel is coming out of the fuel filter, why replace it? Well, we haven't found a fix for this car. And while we're waiting for our battery to charge, we're just replacing every component in the fuel system. So bear with us. It's not your car. Don't worry about it. And we're going to replace the fuel filter. Old one comes out, a couple bolts, match up the lines, and we'll throw it in. So, new fuel filter right there, nice and shiny. Bad fuel filter with all the rancid gas, which I honestly should have drained first. And now we've charged our battery to 80%. So, let's get that off. Turn that off, thank you, thank you. And can I do this one hand? Oh, that's heavy. Put this in, and away we go. Let's try another crank. Okay, attempt number 97. It's something else. It's gotta be electrical. You know, it's got to be, something's holding up the show. It's got to be a harness or a ground or something, man. Yes, I don't, you know what? I'm not thinking it's mechanical, man. I just can't, at this point, I can't see it being mechanical. You know what? I gotta say it's electrical.